So to use the email address and password, okay, you can use an actual account if you want. Right now, I'm going to show you the fake email that they give you. And for that, you just need to go to the bottom. And here, you will have a fake email and a fake verification code and also a test phone number to use, because the phone number option is not available for the free plan. So these are something you can use if you want to test your application out here. And you can also remove this from the components. Right now, I'm going to be making a few more Clerk tutorials, and after we get to 1,000 subscribers, we will be making full stack tutorials. So I hope you like this tutorial, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.